Pick up a bottle first. Full muscle milk protein. Hasn't even been drinking. Unless it's a pee bottle. Barely for serve. Holy skyrocket! Let me just say that I do not enjoy making these videos. I don't know what to do. Either go get a garbage bag or just give up in a sense, because I hate to say this, Melbourne is a nice city. It's Australia. It's Melbourne. It's the most modern, it's supposed to be the most progressive, tolerant, diverse, rights for gays and rights for immigrants and everything. And that, great. But what about the rights for the sea life and environment? It's kind of like hypocritical, in my opinion. And that's why I don't give an ounce of thought to these liberal idiots. So is there nobody here picking these up? Freaking, that is disgusting and pathetic. You know how they have that whirlpool in the ocean? What's it called? The plastic gyre? Well, let's scale it down to this gyre of plastic bottles. Fucking pathetic. Ah, sorry. I'm so sorry, man. I'm sorry, Lord. Oh my goodness. I've come to this little oasis. Get my mind off things. Did you see the amount of bottles along that river? You know how many I picked up today? One. I just got one and some styrofoam. And I don't know why. I just did. But I rode past thousands and thousands. We don't have the respect or responsibility to have all this plastic. We're all benign and complacent. Everyone's just complacent. They've been brainwashed. And one of the things about all this litter that bugs me is that it's a metaphor. Things are scalable and they share the same energy, which is if it's a mess out there with the bottles, it's not a metaphor because it is a mess out there with these plastic bottles, just bottles alone. That's a mess with people's psyche. That's a mess with government. That's a mess. It's just all of the other problems. If we can't have the responsibility to manage plastic bottles, how should we be allowed to have nuclear reactors? They're going to be mismanaged eventually and have meltdowns like the one where with the 3 meltdowns poisoning the oceans on a daily basis. The bottles poisoning the ocean. Then you got these man-made oases that make you feel better for 10 minutes and forget about it all. So, it's a real shame. It's a real shame. Especially Melbourne, you tolerant city. You know what we need to get back is discipline and intolerance. Shouldn't tolerate that. I don't know. I feel like getting a garbage bag and going back there and grabbing I don't know, fill 2 garbage bags or whatever. I don't know if anyone goes and picks that up. There's a garbage bin there that's been like that for 2.5, 3 weeks. Just piles of garbage around it. No municipality goes and gets that. No citizen goes and gets that. All right, that's my mini man-made oasis blog. That's really busy at the front there, isn't it? I like it. Look at all that. It all has a purpose. Picking up plastic. I'm back. Next day. I was pretty disgusted with all these bottles. And I mean, there's a lot. I decided to come back. Found an awesome bag, and I'm here to pick some more up. Got about 50 so far. I don't know. I'm gonna try to get out over 100. It shouldn't be a problem. All right, I'm still going. I lost count. It's almost as tall as me. It stinks. Okay, I'm gonna say I got 200. Look what it resembles. A giant freaking water bottle. So you can see I just grabbed about 3 pulls worth there, probably 200. Down there, there's a shitload. Pardon my French. This is a fucking joke. Okay, that's it. That's all I wanted to do today. 200. Feel a lot better. And I'm gonna leave it there. Fortunately, I cannot carry that. There's that, and then here's where I stopped. I'll try to grab another bag and do some more tomorrow. No lack of bottles to pick up. Hundreds and hundreds. Oh man, I really hate seeing this again. I gotta get out of here. Lots of styrofoam. All right, that's me. I'm done.